Everybody, this is John, and welcome to tonight's edition of the free Simple Options video. So what do we got going into the rest of the year? I think the rest of the year is going to be pretty much as cut and dried as the last week. Last week we did this year, and I'm looking for this weekend to the end of the year to be... So in terms of how it's going to work... So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we have full days of trading. Thursday, the markets are closed. And then Friday, and I believe I'm correct on this, is also a full day of trading. So I'm very inclined on Monday just to sell a boatload of premium and let it expire because I think we're going to be in a tight range, selling SPX options and things like that. And from there, looking for continuation of some of the moves that we've seen. And we're seeing some super interesting moves. I mean, Buffalo Wild is one we've hung on to for like the last week or so. And we are kind of into some levels here, but we got a weekly squeeze. Remember, these last an average of 8 to 10 bars. We're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars into it. So definitely an area where we can start taking profits. I'm looking for the move to the 1618 extension, which is 187, give or take, okay? But don't count the big stocks out either. Apple here had a very nice breakout on Friday and looking for kind of a run-up here into the end of the year as well on that, okay? So I've got a ton to cover in the premium video tonight, but overall, main thing here is that look for stocks to grind higher the rest of this week. Now, well, for the rest of the year. So that's essentially Monday. Let me make this clear. By rest of the year, I mean Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, okay? As we get into Wednesday, that's the last day of the year, there are some end-of-year opportunities, okay? Thursday we're closed, and then Friday is the first day of 2015. Anything can happen there, okay? So Wednesday is a good day to take profits. Hope that helps. You guys have a great week, and we'll see you at the next update.